today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day. But before I get started with the video, I wanted to quickly show you guys what I did over the past weekend. I ate some of my favorite comfort meals, especially because the whole weekend it was rainy and gloomy. I basically just kind of ate based on the weather and what I was feeling, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I crave this like once every
other month.
Yeah, once every other month when it's like a rainy day.
Goes crazy.
So good.
Y'all ready for this?
This looks so
Little scallion pancake action. Yup.
What happened?
I almost choked. I was trying to slurp the noodle down.
What'd you rate it?
8.
It's like an 8.5. Like, it's pretty good.
170 for 6 months. Oh my god.
That'd be wild.
Now back to this part of the video. I'm gonna show you guys again what I ate today, and we're gonna start off with breakfast. Decided I'm gonna make natto for breakfast, which is a traditional Japanese meal. I think they usually eat it for breakfast, but you can have natto any time of the day. It's basically fermented soybeans. I know natto is not for everyone. I used to personally not like it that much, or I didn't really eat it. And then I feel like as I grew older, my taste buds also grew older. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. I think this is so far my favorite way to eat natto. So I'm excited to show you guys, and let's get started. This is just the combination that I like to have, and I feel like the kimchi kind of like balances out the texture of the natto, because I know some people don't really like the texture of natto. I just like the crunchiness the kimchi adds and the taste. It's also fermented, so it might be too fermented for others, but let's try it. feel like it's not even the taste that throws people off with natto, it's the texture and the smell. I honestly don't mind the texture. I feel like it's kind of fun to eat. So for lunch, I am going to make cold udon salad. I love udon salad. I actually don't have it pretty often, but I crave it here and there, and I was craving it today. It's been gloomy all week. Usually when it's gloomy, I crave hot soup, hot noodles, but today, I don't know. I was just craving udon salad. I am so excited to eat this, so let's hurry up and make lunch. It's just so good. I didn't put in protein today because I just wanted something a little bit more light and I wasn't really feeling a protein, but I love it like without any meat or shrimp. I love sauces that are lemony and vinegary. The wasabi is just a nice little kick. Okay, for dinner, my mom is going to be making spinach doenjang stew, pan-fried Spanish mackerel, and then she's also making 고사리나물, which is fern break, but it's also known as Korean mountain vegetable. She also has a bunch of side dishes that she's already prepared that's in our kimchi fridge, so we'll show all of those tonight. 알짜.
잔인해 그대란 사랑